Hey guys, this is Super Coach James. We are going to watch the new movie. What's it called? What? The Joker. We are in Mexico. We're in Mexico, right? We're going to watch the new movie called The Joker. In Spanish, it's called Guasón. Guasón. But it's the new movie with Joaquin Phoenix called The Joker. We're gonna have a good time with our friends, right? See?
Yes.
Say hello.
Hello.
Okay, so listen,
Look
I know.
Phyllis.
Todd Phillips, that's like my mama. And we're going to have a good time right now. We're going to watch The Joker. It just opened up, I think a week ago. It's, I don't even know what it is. It's like October 7th or 8th right now. We're having a good time. We're hanging out in Mexico. So listen, everybody's asking me questions. Yeah, we gotta go. We're running to go watch the movie now. If you guys want to learn how to make a lot of money on the internet, I make all my money on the internet. I sell my products and services online. And you can make money with me. I will pay you a 90% commission I will pay you a 10% commission up to a 90% commission on all of my products and services, okay? And you can make, Rambo, Last Blood. We got Rambo coming up. And you guys can make a lot of money with me, okay? So right now it's 10 o'clock at night on a Wednesday night. And today already on Wednesday, I made over, how much did we make today? I think we made like $14,000. Like $13,000 in one day. $13,000 in one day online. If you want to learn how to do that, click on the link below or just say, yes, I'm interested. I know. Say goodbye. Say adios.
Bye.
Keep watching my videos. Learn how to make money online. Send me a message. Say hello. Say yes. Say interested. Say anything. And we'll get you on a live call. Show you how to make a lot of money on the internet. Okay, bye.